Three option plays. I say no, 5 or 6 option plays that I'm trading this week. And my first one is going to be XLE. As you can see, tech has really pulled back. All the big tech stocks has really pulled back. And now we're seeing a trend in energy stocks. And we're seeing a trend in options being purchased on energy ETFs. So right here is XLE, and it's ticker symbol XLE, and they have a portfolio of energy stocks that has really went up. Let's look at. I'm going to go to TD Ameritrade. I'm going to type in. Let's see. Let's go and look at it real quick, and I want to show you the portfolio of what's inside it and how those stocks have been performing. Well, let's look at the portfolio. Okay, look at the portfolio of this XLE. You got Exxon, you got Chevron, ConocoPhillips. All these companies here, look, the year return 49%, 24%, 78%. They're down because of COVID. You know, people stopped traveling as much, and now travel is about to pick up. So you're seeing a lot of investors or institutions moving out of tech because tech has had a big sell-off this last week, and they're moving over into the energy section. And let's look at I'm going to look at a chart, pull up a chart for XLE right here, interactive. Let's look at the technical chart. Let's look at the interactive chart. Just take a look at, well, this is 1 year. Let's look at the last 3 months. And it's been steady at a steady price the last 3 months. Now it's looking like it's about to break out. You had an all-time high. Let's see, was it an all-time? No, it went down, but it's breaking back up of where it was trading before. The highest it was over the last 6 months was at 56. Now look, it's pulling back. So, and let's look at the unusual options activity on XLE, and let me show you what's being purchased on it. So let's look at the volume. Let's look at a lot of volume, and look at the calls. I mean, yeah, this expires in 10 days. Look at the calls being purchased. You know, you can pick up some of these calls at around $100 or less than $200 at this strike price. So, and look at the volume amount. That's a lot of volume with the open interest and people still trying to get in or get a sale. Look at that. That's a lot of volume. So, and even if we go higher out, there's puts being bought there. I understand that that's like a hedge or looking for a down day. And even if we go to, let's see, let's look at some farther out. It's still a lot of volume, even as puts right there, but it's still a lot of volume on XLE. So I would take a bullish stance on this because it's being recommended as a buy also, anywhere from 30 to 60 days or longer. I think I just bought I did a call into that closes in December near the money. So yeah, XLE is what I'm trading this week. It's my first one. My second one is going to be VDE. I've already did a call on this one too going into December. As you can see on the technical chart, let's look at the back at the interactive chart. It too is looking like it's about to break out. As tech is falling, these stocks are rising. You will have another pullback with them, but based on the trending, it looks like it's going to break out from its old, from being down over a year or since COVID took this stock, this ETF down, and it's going to start back rising again. Even if you look at the 5-year, it's been down. It dropped some here, but it's going to go back to normal. So a lot of people are just getting in it and where these dips are and trying to realize some profit as it heads back. Basically, that's what it's doing. Let's also look at the unusual options activity on it. And let's look at the volume. Not a lot of volume here at all. doing options trading with this, but there is some opportunity here. You can just buy a call for a small amount, put up a little bit, $200 right here. This is 400 off, get you a 400, almost $500 call at that amount. So there's a little bit of opportunity there on the call side. So another cheap option play that I'm trading this week. And here's my other one, is Devon Energy. I already bought a Devon Energy call a while back, and it actually is up. Let's see if I can find it on my accounts. Which account was that? Yeah, let's look and see if I can find it on my accounts here and show you where. Let's see, there it is right here. As you can see right here, it's already up by 261%. So I had some few losses from the down here from the and this is tech, but let me see, let me move it over and show it to you. Yeah, here it is right here. I'm already up over 200%. That's owning it for like over a month so far, because I had it on one of my other option plays weeks ago, and right now it's at 900. I'm up by $900, 260%. So that's why I said this one should be also on your list. Let's look at unusual options activity, and they actually showed up on look at that. Look at all this volume. Look at this. Look at this. $1 you can get just for $100. A lot of people speculating that it's going to rise to 50. We know it's probably going to go to 40. That's not hard, but as you can see, all this call volume on Devon Energy. So that lets you know that there's opportunity right there. That's why I have it on the list, because it's Devon Energy. It's trading. It looks like it's going to remain bullish. So, it's a natural gas company, and it's a lot of volume there. So make sure you pick up some calls, or, get you a call. You can do a debit call spread if you don't want to pay the whole 100. You would probably be out of maybe $50. Okay. And my next one is going to be Bank of America. I had it on one. I was doing credit spreads on it, bear credit spreads, just capturing some premiums on their down days. So this is another one that I have on my list, and let's look at unusual options activity to see if there's a lot of volume there. Yep, look at this. Well, that's expired in a few days, but look at this call right here, and this expires over a year. And it's a $55 strike price at $180. So that's an opportunity right there also. As buying this as a leap option. This is a leap option play right here, because it expires 472 days. Leap options have an expiration date of a year or longer. So that's a good price for leap options, $1.80, and look at all the volume there. So yeah, a lot of Wall Street thinks Bank of America will be over $55 by that date. So that's why they're speculating on that. So that's my 3 option plays I'm playing. Also, I want you to take a look at Facebook, and you may want to do some credit spreads. Let's look at the calls versus put ratios, because I believe, okay, it's about 50-50. It's 50-50, but you got more calls here on the 22nd. As you go down, you'll still see more calls. On Facebook, I put credit spread also. I will look at my credit spread calculator here and see put credit spread. It's got to be a lot of opportunity there, and I will say to this date. So yeah, there's a lot of opportunities here on put credit spread that you can pretty much capture a little bit of premium. Also, you want to do that on Netflix. Most big tech, look at Netflix today. It's up by 5.1 or 5.5%. And you can also do the same thing on this one. Just look at the opportunities on the bull put. Capture some of this premium. You got higher probabilities, you know, as you move your longer leg out, but your short leg out. But still, look at this. So that's what I would do. I would, you know, I really didn't put this on the option plays, but what you want to do is you want to do some put credit spreads on tech, you know, because it's bouncing. So it's bouncing up and down. It goes up one day, down. And I say I'll make your put credit spreads. This is what I'm doing. I'm gonna make my put credit spreads on the days that it's just going down, because it's kind of like it'll go down one day, come back up, go down one day. I may just do my credit spreads on a down day, sell on the up day, and just kind of capture premiums that way. But that is it, you guys. You know, my 3 was XLE, VDE, what else? And Devon Energy. So those are my 3 with, as my wild cards, I'll call them, you know, Netflix, Facebook, Google, any of those tech companies, big tech, put credit spreads, you know, 2 weeks to 30 days out, you know, only doing them on a down day, writing them on a down day, selling on an up day, or closing on an up day. So that is it. If you got any questions, feel free to comment. Goodbye.